Okay, everybody, here we are in room 1727 at the Holiday Inn Superdome, downtown New Orleans. When we walk in, we have a king room with a balcony. We have sink and another sink. Kind of odd, but really nice when it comes to actually getting ready and you have more than one person. Pretty standard bathroom. I do have to say though, we're on the 17th floor and the water pressure is way better than we expected. Hi everybody. We have an actual Keurig coffee maker, so go them. In the cabinet, we have a microwave, mini fridge. Really, it has everything you need if you're gonna be here for a couple of days. Said nice king size bed, decent sized TV for a hotel room. Don't mind our stuff. We checked in last night. Nice little weird half couch.
And the mini fridge
Shades.
was very cold so far. So for mini fridges usually aren't very cold. That one's been really working good.
And then we have our balcony with a lovely view of the city. Good sized balcony, no furniture out here, but at least you've got a space to be able to come outside and you've got a great view. And there's the Superdome.